If you've ever missed an airport announcement, the PA system, or struggled to understand a flight attendant mid-flight, you're not alone. In fact, 1 in 3 seniors over 65 has some level of hearing loss. And in travel, that can mean missed flights, for one, miscommunication, and unnecessary stress. And we don't want that, right? Well, guess what? That ends today because I'm going to share insider tips, tools, and hacks, and even secrets, if you ask me, that can make your entire trip easier, clearer, and way less frustrating. And one tool I show you near the end, so you want to stay tuned, and it's an absolute game changer. And on top of that, I'm going to reveal some essential safety considerations that will make you want to go on your next trip, like ASAP. You're not going to want to miss any of this, so make sure you stay tuned. But before we get too far, yes, you're seeing my face. I know it's a faceless channel. And no, you're not on the wrong channel. This senior travel mini-series that I'm creating needs a personal touch. And I wanted to talk to you directly about some of the things that you need to know that are quite important enough for you to see my face. All right, so I got that out of the way. Now let's continue. And I want to break everything down into 10 crucial steps. The first thing you need to do is to tell the airline ahead of time that you have an hearing loss. When booking your flight, there is a section for special assistance. Check the box for hearing impairment and make a note that you will need extra communication support, and they will acknowledge it. Some airlines will even notify the gate agent and even the flight attendant so that they can be aware. Next, you're going to visit your audiologist. Before your trip, get your hearing aids or devices checked to make sure that they're properly working and tuned up. Discuss your travel plans with your audiologist and potential listening environments to determine if any adjustments or specific advice are needed. Pack smart. Bring extra batteries, chargers, and any necessary accessories for your hearing aids or listening devices, if that's what you're using. Consider a portable dehumidifier, especially for humid destinations, and a protective storage case for your hearing aids or hearing device. Pack essentials in your carry-on luggage to avoid issues if checked bags are misplaced or lost. Research your destination. Look into restaurants, tours, and activities beforehand to assess their accessibility for individuals with hearing loss. Some places may offer hearing loop systems or provide written materials so that you read instead of listen. Use real-time speech-to-text apps. Yes, this is important. Download apps like AVA, ABA, or Live Transcribe. These turn spoken announcements into written text instantly, perfect for boarding calls or security instructions. Use transportation apps to get real-time updates on schedules and potential delays, or disruptions for that matter. Translation apps can assist with communication in foreign languages, if you don't speak those languages. You may also find apps for sound detection. One example is the Alert Me app, or closed captioning for in-flight entertainment. That can be useful. Ask for pre-boarding and use it. Don't just sit there. You have the right to pre-board for everybody else under the Air Carrier Access Act. Use this time to inform the flight crew of your hearing needs and ask them to signal you personally if there are announcements that you should hear and that you don't want to miss. Bring a hard shell hearing aid case plus backup batteries. Never toss hearing aids or accessories in your check luggage. Don't do that. Or even in your personal item, let them be in a case. Cabin pressure and cargo temperatures can mess with sensitive electronics as well. Keep them in your personal bag in a case, a waterproof case specifically. Book hotels with visual alert systems. Many hotel chains now offer visual alarms, door knock alerts, and captioned TV features. Request an accessible room when booking, and that is so important, sorry. When booking hotels or other lodging, could be Airbnb, inquire about hearing accessible rooms or amenities such as visual alert systems for door knocks, phone calls, and even alarms. These features can significantly improve your comfort, and that's what you want to travel in comfort, and also your safety. So you can be able to react if anything is happening around you. Download airline apps. This is different. Airline apps, and turn on the notification for gate changes, flight delays, boarding group announcements, all sent straight to your phone. This bypasses the need to hear overheard audio announcements. Learn this phrase: I have hearing loss. Please speak clearly and slowly. That's what you need to tell them. Please say confidently and kindly. Most people want to help. They just need to know, and they need to know how. Okay, let's take a breather, but only for a few seconds. Hear me out, because I am all about giving you the right information, the right resources, the right tools to make your next trip seamless and stress-free. That's what this channel is about. And if you're like me, you love when things are organized, simple, and of course, affordable. Am I right? Or am I right? So if you want smooth travel without any hassle, you are going to need my digital travel kit. Trust me. This was created just for seniors. Inside the kit, you're going to find 5 helpful videos with travel tips just for senior travelers. 1 travel planning audio guide. My signature ebook. It has tons of great tips, secrets, and hacks that will be helpful. A printable checklist made for folks 60 and over. And on top of that, a 2025 to 2026 travel planner that will have you ready for takeoff in minutes. I'm not going to though. Just for you, I have a digital travel bundle with 55 travel disasters and how to solve them. That includes audio help for international planning and 5 video guides for France, Dubai, Thailand, Japan, and I think the other one is the UK. Yes, the UK. You are going to want to have these. And with them comes the 7-day travel itineraries for each country. And I created that just for you. The links are in the description below. If you're a senior traveler who wants to feel prepared, confident, and even excited again about traveling, these digital travel bundles and kit were made just for you. All right, let's continue. I wanted to get that out of the way. Remember now, I did promise initially that I would give you more information on safety considerations. Well, here it is. Hearing aids and hearing implants typically do not need to be removed for airport security. So you need to know that while they're screening you, just let them know that you have an hearing aid in, and tell them, give them as much information as possible so you can make this screening smoother. Familiarize yourself with the hotel's safety procedures and how they handle emergencies for guests with hearing loss. Ensure that there are visual alerts for alarms. Remember that, just in case of a fire. Consider getting travel medical insurance, especially if traveling internationally. That's so important. This will cover potential medical emergencies and hearing aid repairs if you have to. If you are unsure where to start, I have a travel insurance link in the description. You can go to check it out. Okay, I didn't want to make this video too long, but I think you have to hear this information I'm about to give you so you can be more knowledgeable and equipped when you're traveling. Utilize assistive listening devices. If available, take advantage of hearing systems in airports or public venues. Consider bringing a portable FM system to improve sound quality in large areas. Carry communication tools. This means you should pack a notebook and a pen, maybe even 2 of each, or use your phone for written communication when needed. Most phones have a notes area that you can put your notes. Carry a card with emergency contact information of your loved ones. This also includes your medical information, your emergency contacts, and preferred communication methods, how you want people to communicate with you. Traveling with hearing loss doesn't have to be stressful. It doesn't. With the right preparation and tools, you can move confidently throughout your travel experience, and you'll be able to communicate clearly and enjoy your trip, for heaven's sake, from takeoff to touchdown. Do you want more support tips like this? Then you need to watch 7 TSA rules for seniors that make security way easier in 2025. It's perfect for anyone who wants to reduce stress at the airport. You probably will find the link somewhere above the screen. Before you go, though, grab my free ebook, Top 5 Travel Scenarios and How to Solve Them. It's packed with solutions for common senior travel issues. You're not going to want to leave without that. And finally, hit subscribe, give this video a helpful like, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a chance to travel with confidence, because that's what you want, right? Your best trips are still ahead of you. So don't let a hearing impairment stop you. And oh, by the way, I'm creating a senior travel mini-series that will provide added resources to your travel plans. Please go and watch the playlist. I think there are about 7 videos already in that playlist. You will thank me later. All right, take care. Bon voyage. See you soon. And travel safely. And don't be afraid. Don't be guilty. Don't be embarrassed. Everybody knows that people have challenges. I do too. Yes. Take care now.